in the wild. If you're slow, you're food. This animal, it's never been slow. 60 million years of evolution condensed into a 1,000-pound engine. Pure biological speed. Welcome back to Obscura Nature. Today, we go under the hood of the horse. It's a god-tier survival strategy. Within 60 minutes, the foal is up. Long legs. They are born with legs that are already 80% of their adult length. Why? Because the wolves are coming. You either run or you die. Ever notice where their eyes are? On the side for a reason. Panoramic vision, they see almost 360 degrees. No blind spots. They can eat grass and watch your every move at the same time. Total lockdown. Look at those legs. They aren't just bone and muscle, they are springs. The stay apparatus. They can lock their legs and sleep standing up. 24/7 readiness. 40 miles per hour of raw kinetic energy. Nature's perfect engine. If this made you respect the power today, smash that subscribe button. Stay curious with Obscura Nature.